Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and for today's English lesson, let's take a look at some causative verbs. The most common causative verbs are make, let, have, and get. I know a lot of English learners have trouble with these four verbs, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the grammar and meaning of these causative verbs. Let's check it out. First of all, we have make. When someone makes you do something, it means they force you to do it. You don't have a choice. Here are some examples. The boss made Jack work on the report all day. The boss made him work on the report. In other words, Jack had no choice. Here at Happy English, I make my students write a journal. Yeah, they've got no choice. Jenny makes her son eat all of his vegetables. So, when you make someone do something, you force them to do it. Next is let. When you let someone do something, you give them permission to do that thing. Bob lets his kids watch TV after they finish their homework. He lets them watch TV. In other words, Bob gives his kids permission to watch TV after doing their homework. The airline let me switch my flight without a penalty. They let me switch my flight. They gave me permission to switch my flight without a penalty. The boss lets us wear casual clothes on Fridays. Awesome. So, let means permit. Next is have. When you have someone do something for you, you ask them to do it, or you arrange for them to do that job. Here are some examples. Frank had Jack repair his computer. He had Jack repair his computer. It means he arranged for Jack to do that work for him. Jane had her students decorate the classroom for Halloween. She had her students decorate the classroom. In other words, she asked her students to help her decorate the classroom. I had my sister pick me up from the airport. It means I asked her to pick me up from the airport. So, when you have someone do something for you, you ask them or you arrange for them to do that for you. And finally, we have get. When you get someone to do something for you, it means you persuade them or you change their mind so that they will do that thing for you. The boss got Jack to play golf on Sunday. The boss got Jack to play golf on Sunday. Maybe the boss called Jack and said, "Hey, Jack, do you want to play golf?" And then Jack said, "No, I don't want to play." And the boss said, "Oh, come on, Jack. You're a great golfer and we really need an extra person." And then Jack said, "Well, I don't want to play." And then the boss said, "Hey, Jack, if you play golf with us, after the game, we're going to go to that nice steakhouse and I'm going to pay." Jack said, "Okay, I'll play golf in that case." So we can say the boss got Jack to play golf on Sunday. He persuaded Jack to do that. I got Tommy to help me clean out my garage. Originally, when I called Tommy and I asked him to help me clean out the garage, he said, "No, I don't want to do that." So I said, "Come on, Tommy, I'll buy some beers and get some pizza. It'll only take us an hour." So Tommy agreed to help me clean out the garage. I got him to help me clean out the garage. Usually, when we have two verbs like that in a sentence, we use the infinitive. She asked me to help her. She needed me to help her. She wanted me to help her. But have, let, and make are different. So those three verbs don't take the infinitive, they take the base verb, just like these examples. That's a handy tip for anyone taking the TOEIC or other kinds of English exams. How about you? Has anyone made you do something, or did they let you do something? Maybe you got somebody to do something for you. Or maybe you had someone do something for you. Why not leave a comment and let us know? Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Bye, guys!